Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 best ways to make money online in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 1. Test websites and give feedback. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. A website tester must have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication abilities, and knowledge of website functionality and design. These qualities can improve your job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project-based, and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy. For example, user testing offers $4 $120/test. Website testers who perform live conversation sessions with clients make more money. 2. Do voiceover work. Voiceover work is an excellent way to make money fast. Since most voiceover jobs are project-based, a long-term commitment isn't required. Companies are always looking for new voiceover talents. Here are a few examples of how to use your voice to make good money. Audiobooks help bring a story to life by narrating various types of books, including novels, biographies, and essay collections. Ads with voiceovers are still a popular way for companies to market their products and services. Movies, shows, and even events create trailers to build anticipation. Some companies create how-to videos and hire voiceover talents to help demo their products. Audio guides are used by museums, galleries, travel agencies, and tourist destinations to enhance the visitor experience. How much you earn from voiceover projects depends on your experience, the project's type, and the script's length. In the United States, the average salary of voiceover artists is around $30/hour. On the other hand, audiobook voice talents can earn up to $125/recording hour and $500/finished hour, the latter referring to a book's reading time. One of the easiest ways to get started is by creating a profile on Upwork and responding directly to voiceover job ads. Joining freelance websites is an excellent way to test the waters and compare available jobs. 3. Complete online surveys. It might sound too good to be true, but you can earn extra cash by completing surveys online. Many companies pay people to participate in surveys for general market research and consumer behavior analysis. These surveys help companies make business decisions, like what types of products to launch or where to publish advertisements. However, not everyone can do online surveys. Take a look at some of the reasons why. Some surveys only target specific groups of people, such as their gender, age, or occupation. Many online survey sites use a point system. You'll accumulate points after completing surveys and can only cash out after reaching a certain earnings threshold. For example, you can make money for $0.50/3/survey. However, unless you reach the earnings threshold of $10 to $25, you won't be able to cash out. Due to the payout systems of most survey sites, you'll have to dedicate a lot of time to see real returns. Some surveys can take up to 1 hour to complete. Unlike other online money-making methods in this article, you won't be able to transition this into a full-time job for the above reasons. 4. Try mystery shopping. If you love shopping, becoming a mystery shopper is an excellent way to make extra money. Retailers and market research companies hire mystery shoppers to shop at specific locations and report on the overall consumer experience. They monitor customer service, store conditions, and product quality without the company's employees knowing they're being examined. You can do some mystery shopping work remotely. For example, some jobs involve testing the service quality at call centers or evaluating the shopping experience at an online retailer. 5. Test games and apps. In 2021, the video game industry was worth $178.73 billion, an increase of 14.4% from 2020. Video games also hold the largest share in the global digital media market. As a result, many opportunities have appeared for users to make money online by testing games and other apps. Some games or apps, like Misplay, require players to perform specific tasks and collect in-game currency rewards. These rewards can be redeemed as gift cards or real-world money. 6. Sell stock photos and footage. If you're an avid photographer or videographer, consider selling stock photos and footage to generate a passive income. You'll be able to practice your passion and make money simultaneously. Many companies and business owners use stock content in their marketing campaigns, ads, and websites. In addition to the standard stock photo format, companies constantly look for fresh ideas and unique perspectives to make their brand stand out. You can make a photography website and sell photos there. It's also a good idea to sign up for online marketplaces and list your digital downloads. That way, you'll get a head start at cultivating your personal brand while promoting it to potential buyers. 7. Sell second-hand items. Selling or renting out second-hand items is another excellent way to make money and a great motivation to start decluttering your space. Once you inventory the items you want to sell, take high-quality product photos before listing them on online marketplaces. If you plan to do this long-term, consider making a website to host your own online store. One of the most popular second-hand items categories is clothing. The market value of the second-hand clothing industry is projected to reach $77 billion by 2026. It's a good time to start your own online clothing store. 8. Sell school notes. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest ways for students to make money fast. However, make sure you aren't committing plagiarism or academic misconduct by selling school notes. For example, do not disclose assignments or tests and avoid distributing copyrighted material. The safest bet is to sell notes containing general but insightful information about a subject, such as modules, flashcards, and study guides. Be careful not to present your notes as facts since they are supplementary study documents. 9. Carry out micro jobs. To make extra money, try micro jobs. A micro job is a short-term, temporary job that pays per task completed. Earnings vary from a few cents to $50/task on average. Micro jobs are a good way to make money fast. Some micro jobs only take less than an hour to complete, giving people the freedom to do multiple tasks in their spare time. They're great for freelancers, new graduates, and college students because they can help you gain experience and build a portfolio. The most common online micro jobs include blogging, short translations, data entry, and administrative tasks. In addition to checking out local classifieds, try finding micro jobs on these websites. Fiverr. One of the most popular platforms for various small jobs, from logo designing to translations. Amazon Mechanical Turk. An excellent platform for people with video, image, and data entry and processing skills. Appen. Make money online by doing small tasks like transcribing or categorizing data. 10. Sell art and designs. Selling digital products is one of the best ways for artists to make money. List your creations on art marketplaces like DeviantArt and ArtStation. This is a great way to gain exposure in the creative online community and reach potential clients. Alternatively, sell artwork and designs independently via another sales channel like social media. Facebook had over 2 billion monthly active users, while Instagram had over 1 billion as of January 2022. Such numbers make these platforms great for increasing exposure. Selling on social media is a good way to make money fast, especially if you promote your art on specific networks. For example, start selling on the Facebook Marketplace and promote products by joining groups and interacting with potential buyers. Alternatively, sell via Instagram by activating the Instagram shopping feature on a profile specifically dedicated to your artwork. Thanks for watching.